Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a Canon Pixma MG5750. Now, going through this process will give you a good idea as to when inks need changing. If you're experiencing a print quality issue, however, it is unlikely to be connected to the estimated ink levels, so you might be better off doing the cleaning cycles and nozzle check pattern that's also provided by your printer. But we're going for the estimated ink levels. We press up and we want to go into setup. So we press this button here. Now from here we need to go right twice using these buttons and press OK to go into estimated ink levels. Press OK. And here we've got a visual breakdown of magenta, black, yellow, photo black and cyan used by your printer. It's as simple as that. You can either press OK to carry on, or you can see the codes used by your printer by pressing that button in the bottom right. From here you can also print it off or order online if you so wish as well. But that's about all there is to see here. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.